Alright guys, so here's how to add text in OBS Studio. So let's get started. As you can see, we are on our OBS Studio right now, and then this is my display looks like, and now you want to add a text in front of these. So how you can do that is quite simple. You need to go with the plus button right over here, and then simply go with the text, and then make sure that you have been tick mark on this make source visible, and then go with the OK button, and now write the text over here. So let's just type in my channel name. All right, so that's how you can do it. And then if you want to change the font, you can do that from here. Select font, just tap on this option, and now you will probably see different types of text option right over here. So you can play around with it and select the text you want. So I will select this one, and then you can select the font style as well. You can select the size. So it doesn't matter the size, because you can simply make it small and bigger from the text afterwards. So you can select the writing style, but I'm not going to select that, so I will tap on OK. Then afterwards you can change the color of the font. Like here is the color option. You can select the color, just tap on the select color, then you can select the color from here like this. Select OK. Then you can change the opacity. The opacity means how much visible it will be in the video, so you can select that as well. You can select or create a background color of this text. Like if we select a white background like this, and if we increase the opacity, it will look like this. All right, so you can select the opacity, and also you can select the gradient like this. You can make the text like gradient from here by selecting that. You can select the gradient color from here too. All right, it's quite simple guys. Then simply go with the OK, and also you can change the position by dragging it up and down. You can make it small. You can do anything right over here. All right, so hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you pretty next time.